Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming. In this video, I will show you how can we write a code to plot this kind of series. So for that, first we need to count, okay, how many times we need to run our loop. So 1 to 9. So we need to run our loop 9 times. Okay. So we'll take one for loop. We'll write here 9. Now look at here. Number is starting from the 1 and in on a 9. So for that we can use here this increment functions. Okay, it will generate value from 0 to 1 to 9 using okay. Now we need to write a code which will generate this 1 1 2 1 2 3. So for that we will use one multiplier first. Okay, and we need a shift register. Right click, come here, take numeric, connect here 0, create constant 10, then take addition functions, add functions, connect this add value. Okay, so it will generate 1, okay, 1 2 1 2 3. Let's check it first. It will work or not. My code will work or not. Come here, come into the front panel. Okay, so now right click, come here, change the representation I64. Now you can see it's generating 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now so my logic is correct, so I am able to generate this one. Now I need one multiplier. I will multiply that number with the constant value 8. Control V. Okay, after that I will add same number. So for that I will take one addition and connect like this. Now let's check the output is okay. Now check the output. I am expecting this output 9 9 8 9 8 7. Okay, same output. Now I will show you. So here you can see using this, okay, the output of this line will generate this 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 concepts. Okay, 8, there is 8, and this number will generate 1 to 9, and this will be our main output. Now come here, come to the string number conversion, decimal string, number to decimal string. Take here, right click, label, okay. Now connect with this. Look at here what I am trying to do. So after that take string constant, make duplicate, place here x for multiply. You can write capital X. After that 8, then plus sign, then equal sign. take inside here, right click, come here and take concatenating functions, concatenating string functions. First connect with this, then multiply, then connect with the 8, then connect with this number, no, not, after that connect with 8, connect this number, right click, okay, after that connect with the equal, so 7 input, okay, we require 7 input, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay. Now let's check our output. Create indicator, come here, expand the size, increase the size, okay, increase the number of element, right click, index array, okay, close the index of array. Now select this one, come here, justify center and run the program. Now look at here, okay, I think there is one problem, we need to press write equal here, okay, so equal, control R, let's check it. 1 cross 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 12 cross 8 plus 2 is equal to 98, 133 cross 8 plus 3 is equal to 987, okay. So using this way you can plot this kind of sequence, okay, this kind of pyramidal sequence you can plot. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, so please try to learn this sequence based concepts. Thank you.